Hello, kids. Welcome back to Scratch Programming for Kids. Today, we are going to explore the looks block category in Scratch. These blocks make our sprite talk, think, change colors, grow, shrink, hide, and even show again. Let's begin. First, let's look at the say block. If I drag say hello for 2 seconds, our Scratch cat will say hello in a speech bubble. There's also say hello, which makes the cat keep talking until we change it. Next, the think block. If I drag think, for 2 seconds, the cat will show a thought bubble. This is great when you want your sprite to look like it's thinking. Color and size effects. Now let's try the change color effect by 25 blocks. Every time we use it, the cat's color changes into something new. Try it a few times and you'll see rainbow colors. Next is change size by 10. This makes the sprite bigger. If you want it smaller, just type -10. And if you want the cat back to normal, use set size to 100%. Show and hide. Sometimes we want our sprite to disappear or appear. The show block makes the sprite appear on the stage. The hide block makes it disappear. This is very useful in games or magic tricks. Clear graphic effects. Finally, if we want to reset everything, we can use the clear graphic effects block. This removes all color or size changes, and the sprite goes back to normal. Activity. Funny cat animation. Okay, kids, now it's time to create a fun activity using looks blocks. Step 1. From the events category, drag when green flag clicked. Step 2. Add say hello for 2 seconds. Step 3. Then use think, for 2 seconds. Step 4. Next, add change color effect by 25. Step 5. Add change size by 50. Step 6. Add hide. Step 7. Wait 2 seconds. Step 8. Then show. Step 9. Finally add say the end for 2 seconds. Now, when we run the program, the Scratch cat will say hello. Think, Change colors. Grow bigger hide. Wait. Appear again. And finally say the end. Great job, kids. Today we learned how to use the looks block category in Scratch. Now you know how to make your sprite talk, think, change color, grow, shrink, hide, and show again. Try using these blocks in your own Scratch projects and make your stories more fun and creative. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos on Scratch programming for kids.